Today I am in the city of Hoi An, which is located in central Vietnam. And this city is labeled as the most beautiful city in Vietnam. It is famous for the ancient town which is located in the center of the city. All the buildings here are painted in mustard yellow color and you can see a lot of lanterns around the streets of Hoi An. So in today's episode we are going to explore the ancient town of Hoi An and visit places like the Thu Bon River, Hoi An Market and many more. I also meet another solo traveler who lives in Ho Chi Minh City, so stay tuned and make sure to subscribe to Limitless Nomad. The first place we are going to visit is the biggest market in Hoi An. This market is the biggest market in Hoi An and you can buy almost anything you can imagine here.
Okay, welcome to the Hoi An Market. Let's check it out. Wow, I see a lot of food stalls and juice stalls inside. And yeah, definitely one of the most interesting markets I've seen. It's so clean and everyone is smiling at you. It feels so nice.
The roof of the market was really cool and I was not hungry when I came to this market. So I did not eat anything, but I would recommend you to try the street food here in the market because you can get a lot of different type of Vietnamese food you must try when you are visiting in Hoi An.
There's also a building which is absolutely beautiful right in front of the Hoi An Market, and by the way, the name of this temple is called Quan Cong Temple, and yes, it's right in front of the Hoi An Market, so definitely worth visiting. It's closed right now, but yeah, it's pretty beautiful. The paintings of this temple are absolutely beautiful, and the architecture of this building is damn amazing. I'm really tired right now, so I'm just going to go to a coffee shop and chill out for a while and then go out to explore again. Okay, so I just came again by the river and the view is absolutely wonderful. So I was just sitting here and just watching the view, and this lady came over and just asked me to click a picture of her, and she was holding fruits, and after I took a picture or a video of her, she asked me to buy bananas. And yeah, this is a very common scam. They will tell you to take a picture, and for the picture they will charge you something like that, and I did pay for it, but anyways, it's a good scam, I would say. At least you get bananas out of it. Okay, I found a really chill coffee shop just in front of the river, and yeah, I just ordered a cold coffee for 20,000 dong. Oh my, this Vietnamese coffee is so good. I can never get tired of this. This coffee and banh mi is one of the reasons I love Vietnam so much. Without these two things, I wouldn't have survived Vietnam. And by the way, this coffee only cost 20,000 Vietnamese dong, which is around 65 Indian rupees or $1. And you also get this amazing view with it. So it's pretty good. There are many cafes here. I mean, like, you'll see them a lot. Like, I have never seen so many coffee shops in a city ever before. So, and some of them are very expensive, so I would recommend you to skip those places and come to a local place like this which has a better view and enjoy the coffee with the view. Okay, so I am right in front of the next place that I wanted to visit, and it's called Fujian Congregation Assembly Hall. So let's go and check it out.
This monument was founded back in the year 1690 and it housed one of the biggest Chinese ethnic groups who were found in Hoi An. And also this monument is dedicated to the goddess of sea and the protector of sailors. The architecture of this building was absolutely beautiful, so I would definitely recommend to visit this place when you are in Hoi An.
Okay, so I just came to a place called Mango and Friends, and I also met a new friend, Caitlin. And we just met randomly, and we just came out to have some ice cream here. It's delicious actually. It's mango flavor and it costs 25,000 Vietnamese dong, which is around $1 or 70 Indian rupees. Anyways, I'll check in later.
After this, Caitlin told me that Hoi An is famous for its tailor-made clothes, so we went to a store where they specialize in tailor-made clothes.
Okay, there's one more thing that you have to do when you're in Hoi An. Hoi An is really famous for tailor-made clothes. So if you want to buy some clothes, then you can come out on this street here. I'll put the address in the description. And yeah, it's pretty good. If you want to buy something or buy some clothes, just come to a shop like this and you can buy some tailor-made clothes for yourself. Sorry. One of the things I would recommend you to do in this town of Hoi An is just go around walking or get a cycle. It's just a wonderful town to explore. Like, most of the buildings are yellow in color and there is not a single tall building here in this city. So it's pretty nice to, walk around, look at people's houses. Technically that's called stalking, but it's really nice. I made it to another place called Hoa An Market Temple and it's pretty cool, It's free to enter, absolutely free to enter. So there's a temple there and there are some blue buildings here which are absolutely wonderful. This building is the entrance of the temple and yeah, it's pretty nice. Okay, another thing done in Hoi An. So the next place we are going is probably a restaurant because I'm really hungry right now. So let's see if I can find something to eat. Okay, so I just came to a coffee shop called Highlands, and Highlands is a very famous national brand here in Vietnam. This is my first time ever coming to this place because usually I don't like national brands or chains like Starbucks or CCD. I usually never go to them. I prefer local coffee shops, but I just saw this and I was like, let's try it. And this is a Vietnamese coffee with condensed milk. So let's try it. It's pretty good. Wow, I can't believe I'm saying it's much better than local coffee. Like some of them, not all of them, but I think they have put a little bit more condensed milk in it. That's why it tastes much more sweet and better, I would say. Very good. Okay, I found some random alleyway and it was really fun going through this alley. Yeah, it feels just like India, Okay, so I'm back in the ancient town. Just a word of caution, this place gets really packed in the evening, so if you don't like crowds, I would recommend you to come in the mornings only. But it's really nice to see so many people back again, especially after coronavirus. And yeah, and if you're wondering why I'm traveling during coronavirus, just to let you know that there is no coronavirus anymore in Vietnam, and that's the only reason I'm traveling right now. Okay, one last thing you have to do in the city of Hoi An is that get a cup of coconut milk coffee. So I've come to a coffee shop to try the coconut coffee, which is a specialty of Da Nang and Hoi An, and it's not very common in Hanoi and Saigon, but yeah, it's pretty popular here. So I've come to this rooftop cafe called Sakura and it's pretty nice. The view is pretty great. You can see the whole river, the bridge and everything. It's absolutely beautiful, the view. And let's try the coffee. I actually just came here so that I could fly my drone. There are a lot of people downstairs, so I cannot fly my drone. And anyways, let's fly it. Okay, here's my coconut coffee, and yeah, this is my second time trying this. The first time I tried it, it was in Da Nang. I was actually with Dasha that last time. And let's try it. Okay, here it is. It's not really that good, honestly. It's, I would say, just not a good coffee. It's very strong and there is a very light hint of coconut, and yeah, it's kind of very bitter. That's how coffee is supposed to be, but it doesn't taste very good, I would say. I think probably because it doesn't have a lot of condensed milk in it. But yeah, anyways, that's it. That's the coconut coffee. I would still recommend you to try it. Not at this restaurant, to find a better one. And also, by the way, the real Hoi An comes alive at night because they lit up a lot of lanterns, and it's one of the most beautiful things you'll ever see. So do not forget to come out during the night time, especially after 7 or 8. It's absolutely beautiful. All the boats and the bridges are lit up very well, and it's one of the most stunning scenes you can ever see. Anyways, that's it for today's episode, guys. I'm gonna catch you back in the next episode. So please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and like this video, man. Come on. So if you like this video, more and more people can watch it. And that's it. I will see you in the next. And also, if you want to talk to me or get in touch with me, just leave a comment below and I will get back to you.